This is 2026 and you don't need to travel to abroad to form your LLC. At the comfort of your home, you can now form your LLC at the comfort of your home without travel to US or travel out of the country before you can form your LLC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to form your LLC at the comfort of your home, and in few weeks, you are going to get your LLC for your business. So if you are a business owner or you want to start a business and you want to form your LLC in US, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step method which you are going to follow and form your LLC at the comfort of your home at your country without travel to US. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, we'll teach you how you can grow your business and also how you can be earning massive income every day. So if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when else we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let me take you guys to my laptop screen and show you how you can form your LLC at the comfort of your home. Let's get started. To set up your LLC, you don't need to travel out of your country to set up your LLC. In fact, at the comfort of your home, you can now form your LLC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can form your LLC at the comfort of your home using this platform you are seeing here. With this platform, you can form your LLC in any part of the country you are in the world. Now, let me break it down to you and show you guys how this platform works and how you can use this platform to form your LLC. Now, coming to the interface of the platform, you are going to see the interface like this. As you can see, it says LLC, EIN, and both apply online from Nigeria. So if you're from Nigeria, any country you are, maybe Ghana, in any country you are in Africa, India, Pakistan, you can also use this platform to form your LLC. Now, as you can see, it says access US banking, launch your store, get paid on platform like Stripe, Amazon, and PayPal from anywhere. So to get your TIN, because you also get your TIN if you use this platform, you need 300. You can also get your TIN here, as you can see. Now let's scroll down and check more things about this platform. I'm going to show you everything. Now, as you can see, it says LLC plus EIN plus your business address, which is going for $298. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to reduce this by using my promo code Nupe Flavor TV to get 50% discount of everything you are going to do in this platform. So make sure you pay attention and watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you, because I'm going to share with you my couple code which you are going to use and you get 50% discount using this platform. Now, as you can see, the only thing you need to do to form your LLC, you have to select this box here. When you click on this box, you put your company's name here. For example, let me use my name, Nupe Flavor. Let me use Nupe as my name here. Now you select your state. You can select any state. You can select the world. You can select any state. For example, let's choose the world. The world is one of the best states you can form your LLC right now. So after you select the world, the next thing you are going to do is to click on order now. But before you click on order now, let us check some things about this platform also. Again, as you can see, it says file out your simple forms on your dashboard. As you can see, now let's scroll down and check more things about this platform. Now, as you can see, it says here over 3,000 people from 152 countries have chosen us since 2017. Now, as you can see, let me clean this. As you can see, it says check other industry leaders who are our partners. So as you can see, these are other platforms who they are partner with. As you can see, Firebase, Dollar, and other platforms, you can see them here. Reason why having an ITIN essential, so you can check it out. You also need ITIN for your PayPal, for your Stripe, from Amazon seller, from your TikTok shop, and other things. As you can see, federal income tax filing, opening a US bank account. So you can also check more reviews. As you can see, reviews about the platform. These are people who have reviewed the platform. If you want to check review, all you just have to do is just to click on review here, and when you click on review, it's going to take you to where you're going to check more review about the platform. As you can see, these are how people have been revealing about this platform. As you can see, this review was made on December 12, 2025. That is few days ago. From there, as you can see, it said I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Mimat Oziga from the tin.com from their assistant. As you can see, as a known resident of Peru, I need to establish my LLC in the US and open. You can just check. I cannot be reading all this. You can check all more review, how people have reviewed about this platform. You can check that on your own. So if you do that now, you can, if you want to get started, all you just have to do is just to come down up here. You come up here, you select LLC here, LLC plus EIN, you plus business. You click on it and you put your business name here, your company name, you put it here, and make sure you also fill your name here. For example, let me also put Numbe here. Now, after you put it, the next thing you are going to do is to click on Order Now. Now, when you click on Order Now, it's going to take you to an interface where you are going to fill all your business information, your names and everything. And after you do this, the platform is going to message you through your email, the email you use to registration. They are going to message you through your email and ask you for your document, everything, and they are going to take it off from there. Now, it's going to bring you to an interface like this after you click on Order Now. As you can see, say good news, the name is available in the state of the world, the name I use. Now, your business, your way, make it official today. Now, as you can see, this is the amount you are going to spend. This is the amount you are going to spend to form your LLC. As you can see, the amount here. But don't worry, as I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to use my couple code, that is my promo code, Numpe Flavor TV 50, and get 50% discount of every money you are going to spend here to form your LLC or to get your TIN. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to put your email address here. Then you put your first name here, you put your last name, you put your company name here, you put your street address, you select your country and region, your zip code, everything. You select everything here. Now, after you successfully fill all these informations, the next thing you are going to do is to put your card number here, your expiry date, everything. You put your card number, that is your payment information. You put everything here. Now, you can use any of your payment information. You can use it here. Yes, you can use it. If you have any bank, you can use it here. Now, after you successfully fill all these things, the next thing you are going to do is to information. The next thing you are going to do is to click on this summary here. As you can see, you click on this show order summary, you click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, you click on I have a promo code. Make sure you click on it so that you will receive 50% discount. If you do not click on it, you will not receive this 50% discount. So anytime you want to make your payment, make sure you use the promo code that I'll be showing you right now. This promo code that is showing right now on your screen, make sure you use the promo code. You put the promo code here. Let me show you example how to put it. Numpe Flavor, as you can see, TV, and you put 50. Now, when you click on Numpe Flavor TV 50, just the way you are seeing it displaying right now on your screen, the way I write it, the next thing you are going to do is to click on apply. Now, when you apply this my promo code, they are going to reduce 50% discount. Now, as you can see, say promo code apply successful. Now, before you are expected to spend $746, but right now because you use my promo code, you will be spending $696. So as you can see, using my promo code is good for you. Now, this is how you are going to do it. After you successfully do everything, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on complete order. And when you click on complete order, they are going to message you, ask you for your information, and they are going to help you form your LLC in any country you are in the world. They are going to deliver it to you within some days. They are going to deliver it to you. Now, you can also charge their customer care support here. When you click here, you are going to see their customer care support. They are always online 247. Yes, you can chat them 247. They are always online. So you can try this platform. Head over to the description of this video. The first link you see will be the link to this platform. When you click on the link, you get started, and when you get started, you register. You put my promo code Numpe Flavor TV 50 so that you get 50% discount for every transaction you are going to do on this platform. You get 50% discount when you use my promo code. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you'll also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.